Okay, this is the SenTihNel app. It means guardian. And I'm going to show you what this app does. Okay, here I'm working from an emulator, and here is my cell phone. So when you first come to the app, you have to sign up. So this is a new account right here. Sign up, put your email, name, password. You press sign up. Okay, it says got it. Check your click confirm link. Check your email, click the confirm link. You see a preview of the dashboard. Return to this app and log in with your credentials. You'll need to create your fleet to continue. So this is the things we have to do. Got it? So now we're about to log in, put the password back in. Confirm your email. That's the email. Your account is confirmed. Now return to the SenTihNel app. So now you're not in the SenTihNel app. What this is going to take you to your web page with your dashboard where you can see all like the tracking and everything, and track your family members and stuff like that. I'll show you real quick. So that's what take you to your dashboard, and you just have to log in, sign in. So this is your dashboard where you'll be able to, if your family members send an SOS, you'll be able to find out where they're at. This is the coordinates. Then you can scroll up. Depends on how your phone is. You might have to scroll up, or if you're on something wider, it'll have this on the side of it. And this will be your video. You'll be able to see your family members, like everything that their phones see. You'll be able to find them, find the nearest police near them. You'll be able to record what's going on. So this is your dashboard, like if your family ever in an emergency, and you can get them help immediately. Now let's go to the app. Now let's log in. I said now you got to create your fleet. Create a fleet now, and you'll get an invite code to share. Create the fleet. Your fleet is your team. Okay, this is your invite code, so you can copy it and stuff like that. You can send it to whoever you want to and stuff like that. Whoever you want in your fleet to follow you. That they have to have the app too. So then press continue. Allow. You have to allow all the things, because this, what it does is that we don't, here at the company, we don't get none of your information. What it does, this would tells the app in your phone, like your phone, what it will allow the phone to do what it needs to do, you know, to get you to security. So this is all like imagine like a AI or something like that, computer. So this would basically tells your phone how they react. That's what is that's what the access you're giving it. So allow notifications. SenTihNel collects location data info. So this is all within the app. The app itself, it collects this data so it can help track you. So whenever your family members activate it, then it would this is how it works. So we don't get the information from, you know what I'm saying, on our end. This would allow like your phone to do, you know, allow the app collects it, computerized, and it will allow to be able to work the way it needs to work. Continue. Okay, you have to allow the tracking to be able to set the tracking. Yes. Okay, and about location data. This is location data. Yeah, the app stated it may share the location data with third parties. Okay, this is where your family is. So the app collects the data and it sends it to your family. So that's what that is. Okay, allow Center to take pictures and record. So this is where the video come in, where once a family member hits the activate the app, this is the video part. While using the app, okay, allow Sentinel to record audio. Again, this is where Sentinel the computer collects the audio and send the access to your family members, whoever's in trouble. Okay, and that's it. So you can do location accuracy provides device. Okay. The better experience your device will need to use a locational accuracy. Yeah. Turn on. Okay. And there you are. This is me right here, Mark III. So this is the device. Now, this is your fleet. You have a work fleet. This is for workers. Now, your workers, the difference between a work fleet and a family fleet is that a work fleet can track your location at all times, even if you don't hit the SOS. You know what I mean? So they can track you because it's a work fleet, but they can't hear your audio and they can't see your video. They can just track you. And this is for like a work fleet, like if you're out on the job or truckers and stuff like that, you know, and your employer wants to, you know what I'm saying, wants to track you while you're out in the field or whatever. So this is for that, you know. So some family members, if you want to do, some family want to track their family members at all times, they can hit the work fleet here. This right here, the family one, is you don't, whoever you have in your fleet, you can't see any of their access. You can't track them. You can't hear their audio. Only when they activate the SOS, that's when you hear them. So that's your family fleet. Now you have to set up your PIN. Set up your PIN. So you have to always remember your PIN. Remember the PIN that you put in, because it's one time. If not, you're gonna have to redo it. So this is set up your PIN. So I can just keep something simple, because this is where the PIN is for. If you're ever in an emergency, if you're the person that's sending out the SOS, what it is, the only way you can stop it if you put this PIN in. So you have to always remember your PIN. So I'm gonna go with 2020. Keep it simple. Next. Do it again. 2020. Confirm and save. Your SOS PIN is saved. If you change it later, your old PIN will stop working. Okay. So now you want to lift these up. Like I said, you might want to share. Now, whoever you want in your fleet, you can either join their fleet by going up here, press join, or you can give them this right here, and they can join your fleet. So that's what we're going to do. So let me go back a little before I join this fleet. This right here, we go to your panic button. This is your panic button. See, this is now the only way to get to, like, if you don't, this right here, that's what asking you to access, it's like a floater that sits over top of everything, all your screens and stuff like that. Because if you're not signed in, if you're not on the app, you can use the floater, but you have to have this app in the background. So this, say like you're scrolling on Facebook and you need to get to the app or whatever like that in emergency. This floater is what helps it, you know. So, but as long as you got this in the background, you can access. The floater will work. So let's enable the floater. Yeah, let me see. SenTihNel. Let's turn that on. See, now the floater is on. You're gonna. So I'm gonna show you what the floater look like. So like see, if you, long as you're on the screen, you're inside the app. But if you got the app in the background, Let's go here. See, there go the floater. So this can go over now. So this right here, as long as you got our app on in the background, you can press this button quick, and it will activate your your SOS. So let's go back and see why you're in the app it's disappeared, because it don't need it, because you already have access right here. Yeah. So that's what this button does. So this is a hidden button, so you can keep this button on. Like, you see the screen, it says storage saver. It made it look like this is not a security app. You know, it made it look like in case like you ever in trouble, and like say you're a realtor or something, and you're going to show somebody a house, you know, and the person you're showing really is a criminal or something like that. You can have your phone on this screen, and they will look at it. If they see a phone, they won't know that it's a some type of app that saves you or whatever like that, protection app. This is called a fake hidden screen. What this really says, quick boost. This is really your SOS button right here too. So you can press that, but I'm not going to activate it yet until we finish. So fleet manager, your work dashboard. This is your fleet guide. If you want to learn everything about the app, here's your activation words. I don't want to say it because I don't want to activate the app. These are activation words. This will activate. So even if you don't have your phone in your hand, this will activate your SOS, your emergency. And this will tell you about the work guide. So you can scroll through there. It tells you everything. You just gotta see what the work fleet does. So then you can close it if you want to log out or whatever like that. Now, your SOS words will only work because of the way how Google and iOS, how they set it up, and apps and stuff like that. So your words will only work if you're on the app. If you don't have nothing else, but if you're on Facebook, you're gonna have to you have to press the button, the floater or something like that. As long as this app is running in the back, you can press the floater. But if you got this completely closed, it's not gonna work. So you gotta have this at least, in the background for you. So what the thing is this. Let's go back here. So, and this is another page. As long as you're on the app, even if you're on this page, you don't have to press the button. You can activate it with your words, with the SOS passwords I just showed you. But okay, so let's get ready to join another fleet. Let's go to fleet manager. So if you don't see this pop up, your device pop up, reason why this one, because I done logged into testing this app. I done logged into so many different accounts. So what you can do is you can press your work fleet. See there, that pops up. Then you can go back to family fleet. And that's the update. There it is. Okay, so we got Mark 3 and Mark 2. So now I am about to join. This one right here, because I'm gonna walk in the other room with it. So let me see. I'm gonna join. I'm gonna have this one, emulator, join this one right here. Join my real second phone. Okay, so we're gonna go join. I'm gonna put a code in there. This is the code 73A. 73A. Go capitalized letter. 73A. F5EC. 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 Okay, that's it. So now this emulator is about to join my fleet. Link. fleet updated. So now this one is no longer in its own fleet, it's in my fleet. So that's why you're gonna see the same code. So now I'm able to watch this fleet, and this fleet is able to watch me. Now, since he joined the thing, as you see that, like this got a heart, this don't a check mark. But let me show you this one. Since he joined my fleet, I didn't join his fleet, I'm able to delete it. If I don't want the person in my fleet, I can delete it with those three dots. I'm able to delete anybody I don't want in my fleet out of there. You know. So let's get ready to activate it.